Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to show program or app names on Windows 10 taskbar. Click Start, Settings, Personalization. Click Taskbar. Change to Never. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.